Hey guys, DJ here, back with another video. Without wasting any time, let's get right into today's video. If you saw my last video, so last video was about, we did a little unboxing, link again up here somewhere. In this one, we'll be trying all that. Few more pieces that are already picked up from the collection. So we got about 10 tops, including one on me, I'm wearing one right now, and about 6 trousers and shorts, bottoms, again one on me, and a couple of footwears that I liked, and a pair of slippers. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the first outfit.
Hey guys, so the first out we got is a beige pair of cotton shorts with off-white t-shirt with a pocket detail, and I paired it with the slippers that I got. Perfect look for the beach. So moving to the second one, we got a tall pair of grey shorts, and I paired it with a Keith Haring and H&M collaboration shirt, one of my favorite shirts from their collection this year, and I paired them with high top canvas sneakers. Moving on to the third outfit, we got same pair of shorts, and this time I paired it with grey linen shirt. Perfect look for a little barbecue on Sunday with friends heading out to the beach or to club, and again paired it with a canvas pair of white high top sneakers from H&M as well. One of my favorite looks, quick summer go to look. You can even tuck it in if you're feeling a little formal. So that is it for this one, and coming to the next one, outfit we got is plain solid t-shirt. I got this one in a lilac color, a little different color than I usually go for, and I paired it with the same cotton twill shorts with high top sneakers. And that's the thing, guys. That's the beauty of versatility. So this shorts I've already made up 3 outfits with one shot, right? So if you have pair of classic pieces in your outfit out in your wardrobe, sorry, you can make multiple outfits. You don't have to break the bank. And again, we're switching up the shoes here, and I paired some printed paired the same outfit with printed sneakers instead of plain white, just to give it a bit character to the outfit, and the sneakers stand out. Moving on to the next outfit we got is linen trousers for H&M, and striped shirt, button down shirt. You can tuck it in, leave it untucked, work both ways. You can wear it to beach. Perfect little look for even wear it to office, casual Friday office where you can tuck it in if you want to go a little formal if you're wearing it to the office. And at this time I paired it with a pair of slippers. I was going for a beach look. Moving on to the next outfit, we're back with the same twill grey shorts and band collar shirt, uh, striped shirt, linen shirt, and tucked in this time. So this is a regular fit shirt, so I prefer to tuck it in, and that's the full outfit, guys. Moving on to kept the shirt same but switched the shorts with the linen trouser that we got on earlier. And again, you can wear it to office. Perfect office look for summers. Either you're working from home, quick little change from shorts to trousers, and move from your t-shirt to shirt for a quick Zoom meeting. Moving to the next one, we have the same linen trousers, and this time I put on a navy blue t-shirt, and it's a woven t-shirt. It got like little texture to it. One of my favorite t-shirts, guys, I picked up this summer, and I paired it with pair of printed sneakers, and that's the full outfit. Linen trousers, you can tuck in the t-shirt if you like. It's a pretty snug, pretty fitted t-shirt. um, Moving on to this next one, uh, so I layered it up with this linen cotton blend jacket or shirt jacket, overshirt, whatever you like to call it, with the same printed sneakers. And this has been one of my favorite overshirts this summer. It's a perfect for chilly evenings if it's a little cold outside. Moving on, we're back with the same navy t-shirt. As you can see, it's one of my favorite t-shirts, and we got these drawstring trousers this time, and I paired them up with a pair of loafers, brown loafers, and that's the full look. Again, office, anywhere you can wear it. For the last one, we have one of my favorite things from this summer that I picked up. It's a beautiful olive green suit, a linen suit from H&M, and I'm pairing it up with the same olive t-shirt, going for a monochrome look, and that's the full outfit with a blue turban and same brown sneakers. And it's a pretty, so the t-shirt is also cotton, and cotton blend linen t-shirt, and as you can see the suit fits pretty good. I had to get it tailored, I had to get the jacket tailored, but the trousers, they fit like butter, and that's my best thing that I like about H&M. Their trousers fit me so well off the rack. And that was all the outfits for you guys.
Okay, that's it for today, guys. These were all the latest H&M spring summer collection, and about 15 to 16 pieces in total here, bunch of footwear. Hope you liked this video, hope you liked the way I styled it. Leave your comments below, what would you change, how would you style these outfits. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram handle. Make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel. There's a lot of more stuff coming up. We're just getting started here. Let me know how you would style these pieces, and tag me in your Instagram pictures. I'd love to see them. How would you style these? And that's it for today, guys. That's it from me. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching the full video, staying up here. And a huge shout out to H&M for sending all these beautiful pieces. There's a lot more coming up. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Thank you so much.